My good morning. ඉතින් මගේ නිවාඩු දවස නිසා මම චිට්ටක් පරක් වෙනකන් නිදාගත්තා. So දැන් මේ ready වෙන්නේ මගේ morning coffee එක ගන්නයි. මං ඉතින් coffee person කෙනෙක්. So I usually drink about 3 coffees per day. Earlier I used to drink more, but now I have reduced the quantity because I usually have migraine. So it's a little bit bad to have caffeines for migraine people. Right, this is my spoon. See what has happened to it because I have pressed it inside this coffee Nescafe bottle, right? So coffee incense I usually like this Nescafe brand, and this aroma gives me this fresh morning a very nice booster. This acts as a very nice booster, right? And I add little bit milk powder to it, and yeah, this is the way how I start my weekend, especially Sundays. Every day I start like this, but Sundays I take a little bit to sleep, 1 or 2 hours than usual. So I take some Mar biscuit, which is very nice. Hurry and lesson video. Goodbye. Stay safe. Bye bye.